What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and today we're going to be unboxing a great big pile of shit. Now, I don't know if it actually is, but it mines like it is. So, you know what? Let me know what you guys think this miner may be down in the comment section below. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Maybe it'll turn into something once the bull run hits again. But if not, maybe I'll just stack up a bunch of hardware, and then when we do hit that 100,000 subscriber mark, we will have a massive giveaway. Now, be sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, so I do have the box open. Let's see what is in this. Oh, look at that. So this is the SC box. Not the second one, but the very first one. Does it have RGB lights? Let's have a look here. I can't get it out because my fingers suck. All right, that sucks. This isn't working according to plan. That's okay. Let me just kind of... Oh, I'm not seeing any RGB there. Those are black fans, so no RGB lighting, and an SC Box 1. Now, there is an SC Box 2 recently released by Gold Shell, which actually is profitable. So this one isn't. The other one is. This is older tech, just like with the Mini Doge Pro, and so on. This is a couple years old. Now, these things were selling for like what? I don't even know, like $2,000 to $4,000 in the last bull run, which is crazy to think about because now they're like what, 200 bucks, 300 bucks? I don't even know. They're very cheap compared to what they used to be. But we need an upgrade, and that's courtesy of what this video really is that RabidMining did send this out to me. I said I didn't really want it, but they sent it anyway. And now we have this miner just sitting here. But they do have a Gold Shell promotion going on. Let's go take a look at that. We got some coupon codes. Be sure to use my link in the description if you are looking for upgrades on any types for the latest box miners. Let's just see what's going on. I also want to point out this is only a 5-day sale starting today on the 13th, ending on Friday the 17th. And here we are on the RabidMining website, and you can see all their Gold Shell miners, and they do have the latest little box miners. Now here they have the Mini Doge 2 showing as the older versions, like the SC box, the Mini Doge Pro, and so on, the, you know, couple years ago models. Now this is not correct. They do look like this one over here. They also got a little fancy Goldie symbol kind of walking a robot Doge. So I don't know which version they actually have, if they're going to have that box or they're just going to have the black one, but I imagine it's going to at least be this black one. But you know what? We'll have to wait and see. Now, I will have a link down in the description for you guys to use. I also have code RM25, which will grant $25 off. I don't know if it stacks because RabidMining actually has their own coupon codes as well, which we'll look at, which brings me to the KD Lite and HS Lite. These are bigger miners, not box miners, obviously. They're more on the bigger ASIC side. Now the HS Lite and stuff, they're extremely quiet. I tested one a while back in the past. Now up top, we do see some codes, and that's where it does matter, and I don't know if any of them stack with my RM25 code, but we have GS 200 off and GS 50 off. Now it kind of looks like GS 2000 FF and GS 500 FF. That's not the case. We got a $50 coupon and we got a $200 coupon, and GS obviously stands for Gold Shell. So GS 200 off and GS 50 off. And this is the category. So the $50 off one does matter for these little box miners, and the $200 off one is for the larger ASIC type of miners. And again, I don't know if RM25 will stack for the additional $25 off. It might not. Let me know down in the comments if you try ordering one of these and if it actually worked or not. If it does, awesome. If it doesn't, I'm sorry, I tried, it didn't work. Now also, every time it sounds like you purchase one, you will gain an additional $25 coupon for additional purchases in the future. So I guess you can stack up your coupons in the future. I know Gold Shell is really big on just dishing out coupon codes all the time on their Twitter, but regardless, this is the latest sale that I am aware of. And I said I try to keep you guys up to date and up to track on when these things do come on sale. So we're seeing an influx in the crypto market. Maybe these are a good deal now, maybe they're not. Totally, everyone's in a different financial situation. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.